Right. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Life and Pig Row. And today we're making
spicy red onion chutney.
So don't forget to like and subscribe, make our day because it's nearly Christmas. And also spicy
red onion chutney.
Will obviously, if we make it now, be ready for Christmas.
Yay!
But first we're gonna cut the
onions.
Let's go and cut some onions then. Can you tell the viewers at home why you're wearing goggles?
For the onions.
Do onions make you cry?
Yes.
Oh no, poor onions. Let's cut some onions now. So Carol is now cutting onions. How many onions do we have to cut, Carol?
That whole bag, it's 1 kilogram and they all have to be thinly sliced.
So we're going to be here quite a while. Well, Carol chops it all.
I'm going to cut them in half. I'm going to thinly slice them.
I like the sound of onions in the morning.
I'm glad I've worn this mask, they're very strong.
Oh, they are. I can smell from here. Put your onions in a bowl. So we'll come back to this when we've cut all our onions, so you can see them all in the bowl. So while Carol's chopping the onions, I'm going to sterilise these jars and they go into an oven at 150 and we leave them there until we come to bottle them up. What do you hate about doing onions?
Peeling.
She's still chopping onions and I'm just a commie chef now. I get told to do stuff. She bosses me around. She made me cut onions and I'm crying.
Might that be a lesson to you?
So the onions are chopped and they're now going to go into a pan over a
medium-low heat. I've put 2 tablespoons of just general cooking oil in a pan. I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 3 small bay leaves. So I shall do that now. So in go the onions. And then I'm going to add the bay leaves. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon, can never find the right one, half a teaspoon of just general table salt with that.
Okay, I'm sizzling.
And now I'm going to cook these for 20 minutes until they break up easily with a spoon.
Obviously, we're not going to stand here and film it for 20 minutes. So we're going to fast forward for a little bit of time.
Look at these onions now. Look at the difference in the colour and the texture. They're really beginning to break down. Just got another couple of minutes and then they'll be ready for the next stage. So
what's next?
The next stage is to add the vinegars, the sugar and the spices.
How much of each?
We've got 200 grams of dark brown sugar. In this jug we've got 100 millilitres of balsamic vinegar and 150 millilitres of red wine vinegar. And in this little pot here, which we're going to add into the pan, we have got roughly two sticks of cinnamon. We have got a clove. I'm trying to find it, if you can find it. We've got 5 cloves and we've got one of these very exotic star anise.
And what's this one for?
Sorry, this is the allspice. We're going to add a teaspoon of that. So I'm adding the teaspoon of the allspice. The sugar. The vinegars. And my little bullet of spice. There. And now I'm going to put it on a low heat and I'm going to let that bubble away for 35 to 45 minutes. I'm just going to give it a little stir and then I'll let it do its thing. Right, and as you can see it's all cut down and it's ready when you can make a trail. Look, just like that. So the spice chutney is now ready and I'm going to spoon it into the hot sterilised jars. All over my tea towel. Never mind. 1 jar of spiced red onion chutney.
And now we're going to get the lids on it. And there's the finished onion chutney. We're now going to leave these to cool down, and as they cool down, the seals will be sucked in. Keep them in a fridge. They'll last for up to 3 months. So it's goodbye from me, Andrew, at Life and Pig Row.
And it's goodbye from me, Carol.
And don't forget to tune in next time, and we'll see you again in the new year, because we're taking a short break. Until then,
Merry Christmas.
bye.
Bye.